Hi, my name's Rob Med. I'm a brass repair tech here at West Music Company. I also taught band for 37 years, and I'm a trumpet player. So today I'm going to tell you about the items that come in your trumpet care kit and how to use them and what they are. First of all, congratulations on deciding to be a musician. And we're going to be able to take care of your instrument so that it will last you for many, many years. First of all, we have the valve oil that comes in the kit. And so I would like to show you a little bit about how to oil your valves. The valves are probably the most delicate part of the instrument. So we want to make sure that we're very careful with them. To oil the valve, you want to unscrew the valve cap at the top. And I do the valves one at a time because they're not interchangeable. Fortunately, they have a number on the inside. So we have number 1, number 2, and number 3. As I pull the valve up to oil it, I pull it out just about that far. Do not need to take it all the way out. And as you oil the valve, you're gonna put a few drops of oil on this thicker part of the valve right here. Then you can put it back in, give it a little twist. You want the number to face you, and it will lock in place. And then you can just screw the valve cap right back on, and you're ready to go. And again, I do those valves one at a time. So once I'm done with number 1, I'll move on to number 2. And it really only takes a few drops. So this bottle will last you for a couple of years. We have slide grease in your kit. The slide grease will help keep your slides moving, your main tuning slide and your other slides. Usually the instrument will come already lubricated, but you can take just a very little bit on your finger and just rub it on the slide. You may have to only do that every month or two, couple of months. It's important to keep your slides moving, and that way that lubrication will keep going and the slide won't become stuck. Next, there are a couple of other cleaning tools in your kit. We have the Mouthpiece Brush, and that one, about every couple of weeks, you'll want to get under some water and use, you can use dish soap to just put the brush in, twist it around a little bit, clean out the inside of your mouthpiece and keep that nice and clean. There is another brush included as well, and this is for the valve casings. So when you're going to do a full clean on your instrument, you can use this to clean the inside of the valve casing. The third brush, we call it a snake, and that will help clean the tubing of your instrument. It's probably most important that you use it on the lead pipe, but about once a year, you may want to actually give your trumpet a full bath, taking the valves out and just cleaning the rest of the instrument. The snake will go in, clean all the way through. You can pull that out and rinse it off. Again, dish soap works really well for that. It helps kind of degrease the inside of your instrument. And the last thing that we have is just a cleaning cloth. Great way to maintain your instrument looking nice and shiny on the outside is that when you finish playing, just sort of wipe off your fingerprints, and that'll help keep the lacquer in good shape for many years. And there are 2 other things that will really help with your instrument staying in good shape. If you can rinse your mouth before you start to play, many of you have a water bottle or a drinking fountain on the way to your lesson, just rinse your mouth out before you start to play. And the last thing is when you finish playing, to make sure to empty any water from the instrument with your water keys. That way it won't dry on the inside of your instrument. And that's how to maintain your trumpet. And good luck playing a trumpet, and take care.